Guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kushi, and guys, this is basically a day 2 of my English speaking challenge. As you already might know about this, that from my very last video in which I have taken a 7-day English speaking challenge, in which I will be putting videos out online where I will be talking about random stuff but making it sure that I am talking in English, because so that by the end of the week, or say the by the end of the this challenge, I am comparing my first video with the last video and seeing how much I have improved in terms of pronunciation, in terms of tonality, in terms of confidence, just to make sure how much I have become comfortable speaking in English, just to make sure if I am actually become fluent. Because for me, like, never a person can become perfect. It's always he or she is going to be the learner in their life, because they will eventually find someone out there who is better than them. So never ever I ever consider myself as a perfect, as an expert, as I have always been a learner and I always want to be. Yeah, let's see how are we actually going to talk about, what all things we are going to talk about in today's video. Be honest, since it's just day 2, though I haven't prepared much about practicing on which topic I should talk about, on which topic I should discuss. So let's just start with discussing how my day went. So I wake up early in the morning and just come up across that it's raining heavily outside. And I woke up early in the morning, then I freshen up and I prepared a breakfast and lunch for my younger brother and for my father, because my father used to go to office and my brother used to go for his school. And since most of you guys already know that my mom has a back pain issue, like in her spine, due to which reason she don't able to stand properly early in the morning. So since I used to live here in home, so why don't I should take the responsibility of making this basic life skills. Yeah, so we are just doing that, and I don't think so there is any of embarrassment I should feel about it and talking about online. So yeah, after that, I again went back to sleep. After sorry, I revised my vocabulary words, and then uske baad I went for sleeping for 1 or 2 more hours. Then I woke up and again it was raining and raining. On usually days, what happened that I used to take my mom to the physiotherapy centers around like 11 to 11 or 12 PM, around something like that. But since it's for raining and water logging was already over everywhere in our colony, so decided that we are not going today. Like in morning, though it was not possible. Then maybe we were thinking that maybe if the weather would become better, so we will go to the physiotherapy center by evening for sure. That like the last time we did. Like yesterday, it was raining in morning, so we have went to there in evening probably. And then I shoot one YouTube video after taking my shower, and shoot one of the YouTube video, and then did my editing part done, and created few of the shorts video by dividing that. Then after that I have my lunch, and also yes, in like afternoon, like after 12 or 1 p.m, I gave my writing task one test, and then reading test also test done. And then I have prepared few of the writing tasks, 2 essays, in which I was like looking for the ideas mainly, not overall passages, because today I have to write one of the passages. Last night I wrote writing task 1, in which I have taken a bar chart questions and then evaluated it with the help of again AI tools probably. So yeah, and then again I continued with then after like completing my studies, I again went back to a nap and had my nap. Uske baad I woke up, and I woke up actually really late. And so yeah, this was it for today's. I think it's probably gonna be a long video, so yeah, I don't want to make it long. Bye.